strawberries, that's quite a treat. 11 bananas, yellow and bright. 11 bananas, a yummy sight. 12 apples, crunchy and round. 12 apples, the best I found. 13 watermelons, big and green. 13 watermelons, a summer dream. 40 avocados, soft and creamy. 40 avocados, oh so dreamy. 15 kiwis, fuzzy and small. 15 kiwis, we'll eat them all. 16 mangoes, juicy and sweet. 16 mangoes, can't be beat. 17 oranges, bright and sunny. 17 oranges, oh so funny. 18 pineapples, spiky and tall. 18 pineapples, let's have them all. 19 cherries, red and round. 19 cherries, the best in town. 20 peaches, orange and sweet. 20 peaches, what a treat. 10, 11, 12, let's go. 13, 14, watch them grow. 15, 16, 17, 2, 18, 19, almost through. 20 peaches, count complete. We counted fruits, that's pretty neat.
Hi there, I'm Max, your friend and the main music producer at the Grand Music Factory. Please subscribe and stay tuned.